Videoing. Say hi, Angela. Okay, we're coming down here. Turn around. Down here at Gobbler's Knob. We just came in the bus. They actually closed the school for 2 days because the buses that run in this little town of 6,000 people, they bus people in all day long. So this is it. Gobbler's Knob. Weather works. There's some warming tents back there. Supposed to be a bonfire going on somewhere around here. There's the stage where they're going to have the groundhog. And we're here early enough to where we can get a pretty good shot. This is awesome. We had to be out here. It is currently 4 o'clock in the morning, no, 5 o'clock in the morning. But we're here. Peace out. They're jamming. This ain't nothing.
Okay, we heard this one last
7:30.
night. We heard this one last night. The golden pianos wrong. Like a couple hours ago.
Actually, it's about 4:30. We got about 3 hours before they do the Groundhog Day. We're gonna get closer to the stage. Ready?
See how far away we are?
I know, we're gonna get closer.